know the things that on the king step.
Yeah, well, I don't say one nation and Imara nation. You see me?
Yeah.
Welcome back to another episode of Negus Speaks. You are now listening to the bad sounds of Negusimara with a tune entitled Pass on all media platforms. Make sure you check it out. You see me? Whoa.
The way you make your body hard, turn me on over your body and touch everybody part. The face you make when we a fuck you make me happy laugh.
Me send it now your heart and it make you a fick off.
Your pussy tired so me send it now your jaw.
Whoa.
It and a charm me I get it and a bar.
Whoa.
Me to girl nothing but you no regular. The way you suck it off me happy beg your pardon.
Yeah, yeah.
It happy slappy when me come through. She a move like an animal they cut loose. Grab a go see she gets so you freaking a bed out a road she full of class like enough school.
Yeah.
She not stop until me bust juice. Pussy like inevitably the cocky must bruise.
She want bruise me cocky till it not much use.
So me set her in our handle they be obtuse. The way you make your body hard, turn me on over your body and touch everybody part.
The face you make when we a love you make me a feel laugh.
Me send it now your heart and it make you happy cough. Your pussy tired so me send it now your jaw. You get it and a charm me I get it and a ball. You make me go girl nothing but you no regular.
The way you deal with it me a fi beg your pass.
Me make a call to the girl say come over now. Soon as she come through the door she bend over couch. Over the pretty pink nipple me tongue a bounce. Simultaneously na the pussy a thump it out.
Me a thump it out, yeah me a beat it bad.
Me a beat it like a Trinidad steely pan.
She a goddess out a road but she freaky bad.
She look at me and say she want eat dinner. Me love it, the way you make your body hard. Turn me on over your body and touch everybody part. The face you make when we a fuck you make me happy laugh. Me send it now your heart and it make you happy cough. Your pussy tired so me send it now your jaw. You get it and a charm me I get it and a ball. You make me go girl nothing but you no regular. The way you suck it off me happy beg your pass.
Stop it, calm down. Nobody know with that.
You don't really want you to again say boom bang.
Boom bang.
Connect.
Connect. Yeah, well, I don't know say one nation and Imara nation. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Negus Speaks. You understand? We're there. Not the usual background, you understand? We're in our hotel room right now, cause as you can see, we do the World Dawg interview and we detect that on the road, you understand? We go straight to Florida for the one day. Now we're in Tennessee because I have another social media influencer for interview, you understand? Vibe Scheme, you see me, we're gonna do that, you know, tomorrow. Well, the day after I film this video. So we're gonna film Vibe Scheme. I know it's a giveaway, but you don't know our nation, so I can't hide nothing from you. Yeah, so we're there over Tennessee. I got interview Vibe Scheme, you understand? As I'm saying, in a hotel room, I got some rearrange thing away. We're there. But I'm not coming to talk about that still because we do an interview with World Dawg. I just want to say, yo, big up World Dawg because World Dawg no know him do by giving me that interview because CVM TV don't have that interview. TVJ don't have that interview. But I do. You understand? I will have little things where him talk about in the episodes to come of 876 roommates. You understand? So him give a little things where they even at me yet in the series. So if you don't want to know what go on, you go check it out. You understand? But that interview did very well. You understand? It stirred up a lot of controversy. And the internet did that for a few days. For the past week, the internet did that. You understand? And the reason why it did that is because he said a few things about a particular social media influencer. I went to Florida to interview World Dawg about 876 roommate mainly. You understand? The whole King Tavi situation and whatever. He spoke about some more things and more people, you know, in the 876 roommate. So it's like Brata. He also spoke about Lava. You understand? I honestly didn't go for Lava. I went for 876 because everybody say, yo, Tavi this and Tavi that and make sure you reach out to Tavi and But I went to World Dawg first because I have a link with World Dawg. So I go to man, message him and no, apparently somebody did tag him in one of my video them. Like them record it on them phone and tag him in the story and him see it and him say, yo, brother, big up for you, respect him. And I say, all right, bless up, bro. So the day after it come to me and I say, yo, brother, you know what I mean? Like, show the dog and if the dog would give an interview. And I did just that and him say, yeah, you see me? So we do an interview. Now the interview get hot. Not because of what he said about 876 and King Tavi. And him said some things about some other entertainer as well. And it's not because of what he said about Lava. I mean, what he said about Lava, they have a little thing going, but it's mainly what he said about Slick Whiteline. A lot of you guys may know Slick Whiteline. He's like buzzing right now in the comedic scene. So he said a few things about Slick Whiteline that Slick Whiteline didn't take well. You see me? So it's like a little back and forth thing. I'm going to see the title, the origin of the beef. You see me? And the beef is in quotation because is it really a beef? We will find out at the end of this video. So where it all started was when World Dawg said Slick Whiteline not hot. You see me? And it more so wasn't really gearing towards Slick, in my opinion. It's just that I think Slick just get caught in the crossfire. You understand? Slick just get, you see me? Like, you see me? What you call it now? Casualty, just a casualty. Unfortunately, Slick Whiteline get in a line of fire. But it was mainly, you can hear the frustration in a World Dawg voice. It was mainly lava I'm dealing with, you see me? But we do the interview and we're gonna play the clip where kinda get to Slick, you see me? Because I mean, some people take it the wrong way. Some people understand the World Dawg. They say, you know, Slick was one of the person that take it the wrong way. And we're just gonna play that clip there right now and hear what go on so we can decipher it and see what go on. And you tell me in the comments them if World Dawg right or I'm wrong for him opinion them, you see me? So let's get to it right now.
But I want party with Slick Whiteline and Lava up in West Palm Beach. I sneak and went inside that party because I have nowhere to go down here that night and I will want to party. I go up I party, somebody don't know something did it. Dog them get them liquor, we a drink, we a beat. I heard Lava said, what Lava tell me on the phone every day, Hero, me and you run the internet. I said yes. Okay. Lava went on the stage and said, Slick Whiteline, when it come to the internet, nobody act like me and you. Slick Whiteline, you act, me act. I feel with internet, I feel with yard, that I feel with thing.
All right, go pause that real quick because he said that Lava told him something, you see me? And what Lava tell him, he was kind of taken aback. Because you gotta tell me, say, every day, yo, and me and you run the internet, me and you run the internet. And then now, with that one party, you tell somebody else the same thing. That seemed kind of shaky in my eyes. This is how I'm interpreting it from World Dawg point of view. Because as you can see, the dog dressed back, put up him and like him and say, yo, wow. That's what that nigga really said. You see me? So we can continue right now.
How would the bomb buckler I said to me, I said, brother? But big up Slick Whiteline, but Slick Whiteline is not a perpetual resident of the Chat and Laugh Live. You more so than anybody else, brother. Because as me say, when we get notification, World Dawg is live with such and such, I'm going to jump on the live and pre-war go on. And as you say, I that 70% of people, 60% of people attack. So the dog big up.
Slick. And the dog say artist thing.
Yo. Hold on, I don't even cut the video. Because the funniest video of this, the funniest part of this video is not what he said about anybody. But when the dog had touched my foot, you see me? When him touch my leg, we swear things like that, they got bust off the poor head, you see me? And me I reach out. You see me? Alright, go continue.
I'm like, I'm gonna be real. Slick don't hot unless somebody hot.
Yeah.
Me not bring no mix up on your show, I'm just talking facts.
No, mix up, brother. Just talk where you feel like, brother, because we're grown, bro.
We grown. Slick Whiteline, you don't hot unless somebody hot. I'm hot overall.
Let me pause this real quick. The man dramatic, man, say so. Like the man have fixed up himself and just drop a bombshell. The man dramatic, like, wow. You see me? Big up World Dawg.
Do a 1 minute video by yourself and impress me. He impressed me. Swiss do. Pine, Valor, Cuz. Do. 100% credit I cannot give. I want to see your work.
So basically, I say, You can't, you say this in the other segment. Basically, the way I say is that him have to impress you, as you just said a while ago, him have to do a video by himself. You can't give him the full props because him use other people's video and them thing there.
Yes. And Jamaica don't really continue to support people like that.
So you don't feel like that's still some form of artistry? Like to gather these clips, to take time to watch these clips, put them together. You don't feel like that don't deserve no form of props?
You are a comedian. You do your video. I would say Slick Whiteline page is a meme. Or meme. What they call it? Meme? Meme.
Read some of the comments and people that ask me, yo, bro, how did you not laugh when the man said the page is a meme? Because it's a meme. It's not a meme. You see me? So the way the man said it, I mean, watching it back, it was funny. You see me? Watching it back, I laugh at it already. So that's why you not see me laugh now. I laugh at it already. Because I'm pre it back, I'm say, yo, the man serious. Man say meme. Even though I'm correct, the man say meme. You see me? So basically the way I say is that him can't get Slick full props because Slick take other clips that's already hot, put them together, and then just respond to the clips them. You see me? Like they were actually talking to him. I asked him the question, don't you think that's still some form of artistry? You see me? Because for sit down and watch the clip them and pick out key moments that you're going to respond to, you know what I mean? You gotta get a little I gotta commend you a little bit for that. You see me? Because it takes time for actually do that and then respond to it in a funny way. You see me? But World Dawg, he doesn't find that artistic at all. You see me? So let's continue.
Because you can never watch it and see a full video. I'm lying.
Okay.
Pre-levels what I'm saying, bro. I'm authentic doing this shit 40 seconds, 20 seconds, a minute by myself, bro.
And how long you've been doing this now?
6 years, bro.
God damn.
You remember in a 2019, as a video drop, I was the one to slice it or vice it over or remake it.
That's true. And the most famous one that everybody loved was the Maca Diamond one.
Thank you.
Bam, bam, bam.
Did you know that?
Yeah, brother.
As Maca Diamond drop a video, who vice over it?
No cap. No cap.
But who did you promote?
Yeah.
Maca
Diamond.
You didn't promote yourself. That's Maca joke.
But on a real level still, if you pre the Dawg thing, you know, you say on a film thing, but if you pre the Dawg thing, him the 100 odd K now. So that means it a work.
Everything would have work. People gonna follow it.
Yeah.
This is not. That's why I don't really talk a lot to other people.
Yeah.
And try to really show them certain stuff because they will like era fighting.
So the way how we end that clip after this, we said I'll go in our next segment, you see me? But what he said right here was very important, especially in the Jamaican culture, because in the Jamaican culture, your opinion, even though it might be the nicest of opinions, can still be viewed as bad mind. Because we have this mindset that everybody is trying to fight us out. I don't like to have friends or be affiliated with people who have that mindset. Because if I cannot give you my opinion, that is an unbiased opinion, it's not filled with hatred or bad mind, and you take it as such, I don't want there on you. We are grown. I can tell you that, yo, bro, you know, say something personally we are doing in your life, me not approve of that, brother. Yo, you're bad mind, dog. Wait. Huh? Oh, my bad mind just because of my opinion? Somehow you cannot differentiate bad mind from somebody's opinion, natural opinion, because we all have one. I'm sorry, we all have an opinion. And I'm afraid that people have the mindset that, oh, a bad mind, you're bad mind. Bro, shut up. Shut up your stinking mouth. Not everything is bad mind. That's why no found a nago grew, brother. What he said, and even if you watch the other clips them, The man said Slick have memories, meaning that Slick have video where people can watch 2 years from now and still like it and still laugh at it. But he's saying, yo, bro, make me see a 1 minute clip of yourself. And him use Prince Pine as an example. Him use Valdo as an example. He even use me as an example. Because I don't do what Slick do. Valdo don't do what Slick do. So it's not, I don't see it necessarily as a diss. I don't see it necessarily as a diss. But I can see where it can be taken as a diss. But when it comes to the Jamaican culture, everything I say is bad mind. That's why no phone and I go reach nowhere. So, even after this interview we did, it was almost a 2-hour interview. And if you want to watch the full video, the full interview, it's there on my page. You see me? World Dawg full interview where him talk about lava, him talk about Slick Whiteline, him talk about 876 roommate and Tavi. You see me? So you can go check it out. So we see which part Slick Whiteline never take. Slick Whiteline never, the man never like that at all. You see me? So Slick Whiteline, the man clap back at World Dawg for about a good 3 days in a row. You see me? The dog now ease up for this like about 3 days straight. The dog shoot off a World Dawg. So I can watch when I clip them where. Oh no, before me talk about that, after the interview, them go do a video shoot for Spice. You see me? Them go do a video shoot for Spice. And me did call Slick. I called Slick and I was like, bro, I did an interview with World Dawg and he had a few words for you. You see me? Him have a few things to say about you, bro. So, but also call you for put you up on your guard and make you know what I go on because I know both of them. If I had interviewed Slick and Slick said a few things about World Dawg, it's on my platform. So I have to make World Dawg know, say, yo, here what, bro, Slick said something about you, you know. Just like how I'm going to make Slick know, say, yo, brother, World Dawg said something about you, see me? It's on my platform. So me have to make my brethren aware of what's going on. You see me? So, me tell the dog and the dog say, all right, cool, blah, blah, blah. The video drop and then me see a video drop in a dog. You see me? The dog gunning off of my boy the head. You see me? But you could play that clip there real quick.
Like how we are talking about run. What are we here on a podcast and run off in mouth?
Slick Whiteline, you don't act unless somebody hot.
What kind of nigga this? Like seriously now, hero. I walk with a chick this.
Ava went on the stage and said, Slick Whiteline, when it come to the internet, nobody act like me and you.
Okay, you never see smoke without fire or a hero without him cape. And I mean, I lava in a rate.
Lava is a big blood clot instigator.
How social media do this?
Hero spell instigator.
They say me could have spell instigator, I spell it.
No, you see?
Alright, so we see, I never like that part there. I talk about podcast and show the stay free thing. I don't like that. You see me? I don't like that at all. That sound like some styling thing. I don't like that because it's not a podcast, it's a podcast. You see me? I hate that culture. You will rearrange things and make things sound like what it's not. It's not a podcast, it's a podcast. You understand? Pod of something a woman put on them front, brother. So we see which part of the dog say, yo, Ira, you're a madman. Yo, bro, what you do? Don't do that, my G. Don't do that, bro. Like, you know me. But then some people are say, Slick is proving World Dawg point. Like, you can't do a minute video by yourself. So, World Dawg go live. When him go live, him did say this. You see me? World Dawg did have this to say about Slick.
Commercial break. I'm Big Belly, Big Ball. Big Belly Stick, why still a go on? Turtleneck. Rumish. Dear first. But watch out. Create two of them. Race can still go on, man.
Okay, so, you know, nothing really heavy, you see me? And then Slick goes a boom and fire back with this. You understand? Because you don't know Slick ready for the war. Lone rifle shot.
People, he run up on him show, I thought some belly big, or it now stop grow up. Slick Whiteline shape like Humpty Dumpty on the wall. Dog, you talk things from me already know. I mean, say from you see my face, I see my big belly from where you know a Slick Whiteline. How you do? Vex through my time? Dog, you talk, but me can't see say you're nervous. Cause you know anything you say, me go take it on circus. World puppy, you try shoot, but your uncle are barking at your phone. Lower your tone. Me no shoot dog, but me give a big stone.
So the dog got some man boss a one shot, you see me, and then World Dog come back and him do a live. World Dog got some man do a live real quick.
We shoot people though. But me still want to kill a slick Whiteline. Me still want to murder you. I want to murder you, Sheldon. Sorry, Sharon. Sorry, Sharon. I want to murder you. So anytime you do a 1 minute video by yourself, disrespecting hero, me say, alright, Slick, the time that the war is on. But I don't want to disrespect you. Sheldon, Miss Sharon, sorry, so I'm just gonna be quiet until you shoot again. Because that was for effort. You try. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you try. Yeah, you try. So until you forward and do a 1 minute video by yourself, disrespecting World Dog, aka Facebook hero. Hello? I will give you a reply or consider about it. Alright. Thank you. Alright. But you try though. God's not only then go and do it. Yeah. But people, clap him. You try. And look how me kill you by just saying you try.
So the dog got some woman make that video there. You understand? And then out of nowhere now we see World Dog got some woman go for the bazooka. You understand? Him go for the bazooka, and some people are say, yo, him should not do this. Some people laugh, some people are say, yo, some people are say all is fear and love and war. You understand? So he run out. My boy go for the rifle shot and Hero go for a 9-second bazooka blast. You see me?
People, me have good news and me have bad news. Good news is Facebook Hero have green card can go to Jamaica. Bad news is Slick Whiteline have none.
So, people are say, yo, that was uncalled for, but some people are say, all is fear and love and war. You understand? And then go so boom. Slick go so boom now and reach out back. Cause Slick now play as me say, Slick, I'm ready for the war, I'm hungry. You understand? So, we're going to play that clip real quick.
Well, puppy, how are you smoking here marijuana? You mean for them say come and find come to big in farmer?
Facebook Hero have green card can go to Jamaica. Slick Whiteline have none.
I true you talk, girl dog. But remember you married a man when you Bernard, forget your green card.
Jano.
And the mafia not tight so dance yoga in a film yard.
Some boy can't style me.
Why?
Come, me no fuck batty again.
That one, grenade.
So, you see me? It's the origin of the beef. I know them two youth personally, you see me? And it is so crazy that one interview started this. You see me? The back and forth. I think it was irrelevant, to be honest with you. It is not like when Twep did this me, you see me? Twep come out her mouth and say one bag of thing about me, you know? Say, me eat girl, me eat man, me take effing on my body, all types of nonsense. When you go somebody and want to soil my reputation, I come out and I'm going to deal with that way. And I did that. Ruin her. You understand? And she forgot some man bill. I'm not going back down from nobody. Just like I was Slick never back down from World Dog, I'm not back down from nobody. But to where the war went, I personally did not like that. The reason why I didn't like it is because, first of all, as I said, I know them two youth personally, you see me? And a lot of information that didn't need to go out went out, you understand? The back and forth was really very relevant in my eyes because really and truly, as I said, when World Dog attacked, he was just saying, I think he was just saying, I expected better from Slick. Like, you know, you're more talented than that. Stop cut up clips and ray. But then no, me understand Slick. Don't come and try mash up with me out because when me I do our work, it's working and it is working because I'm the 130K right now. So obviously it's working. People like it. You see me? So as I say, I never like where it go. You know what I mean? I don't like where it's at. But me watch a live, and World Dawg did I say, him and Slick never did a war for true. You see me? I never call no man and ask them what is what, you know, because really and truly, I really don't care. At the end of the day, I really don't care. It don't seem real to me. It seems like it's just for views and media. You see me? There was a video that World Dawg put out that got taken down and it violated community guidelines. Apparently, him have like Slick did a sit down somewhere, eat something and then one little vagina or some little foolishness. But I never like where it go. What World Dawg said, I shouldn't think it should be taken like bad mind. You see me? Maybe in passion is why it look like that, but I don't think it's bad mind. I just think that him think Slick is super talented and expect more from Slick. You see me? But Slick held his own. You see me? As anybody should. You should hold your own and defend yourself if you feel like somebody violate you. You see me? So, but I just want to say big up the 2G. Them, you understand? The two of them, I know them personally, and the two of them talented and very funny. And we hope say, yo, you know, if this is not fake, I just hope it don't get taken to any, you know, more dangerous zone. I hope it stays where it's at. I hope it's done now. You see me? But this is the origin of the beef, you know. My name is Negusimara, and I give thanks to everybody. Make sure to watch the interview with World Dawg. We talk about Lava, King Tavi, 876 roommate, and Slick Whiteline. You see me? Give thanks for all of the new subscribers, and make sure you like, comment, share, hit the notification bell. You understand? We just want to say, bless upon yourself. This is the origin of the beef. My name is Negusimara, and this is Negus Speaks. You understand? Up move. You understand?